Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making lemony shrimp, broccoli, and peas. This is a recipe that I found years ago in one of those supermarket cookbooks, and it's been a favorite of mine for years. And it's ready in almost no time. I mean, the hardest part is actually cutting this stuff up. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 green onions sliced thin, and I'm going to be separating the white from the green. And I've got lemons here, because you need a tablespoon of lemon zest, 5 to 6 tablespoons of lemon juice, a half a cup of water, salt and pepper to taste, and you need rice cooked. And I've got my grater out, and I'm going to start off with putting the butter in a large skillet that has a lid. And I'm going to melt that and get started with the rest of this stuff. Okay, the butter's all melted. So I'm going to add the white part of the green onions. The lemon zest. And this was roughly the zest of 2 lemons. The broccoli, which is about 3 to 4 cups of the florets. And I add the water. That's a half a cup of water. And some salt and pepper to taste. And you know me, I don't put too much of this in, because I like the family to be able to put what they want. Okay, now I'm going to toss this up well. And I'm going to put this on a medium heat. And I'm going to cover it. And I'm going to let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. And I've got the rice already cooked over there. And this, believe it or not, meal is almost done. Okay, you are also going to need a pound of shrimp thawed. And this is a pound of peas. So I'm going to rinse the shrimp, and you can see how nice and bright green that is. Oh gosh, that smells so good. Okay, I'm going to rinse the shrimp off and take the tails off, and then I'm going to finish this up. Okay, I'm going to add the peas. And I'm going to let this cook for about 4-5 minutes. Normally, I would be adding the shrimp to it right now, but this is pre-cooked shrimp. So all you have to do is warm that. So I'm just going to put the lid back on, and I'm going to let this cook for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then we'll put the rest of the things in there. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to add the rest of this stuff in. Now this shrimp, like I said, I rinsed it and I took the tails off, but I also cut it in half because these were really big. pieces, and I want them more in the bite size. And to that, I'm going to add the lemon juice, and that is the juice from 2 lemons, about 5 or 6 tablespoons, and the green part of the green onions, and that was 4 green onions. And I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning. I started off with 4 tablespoons of butter, but I used 2 in the pan, and now I have the remaining 2. It's going to go in here. Okay. And now I'm going to put the lid back on, and I'm going to let this simmer for about another minute just to warm the shrimp. And then we'll be putting this over the rice. And I'll be back. And there it is, so nice and warmed up, and butter's all melted. And I'm going to put this over some rice, and we're going to give it a taste. Okay, I'm ready to give this a try. Try to get a little bit of everything on there. Oh, that's so good. Needs a little more salt, but you know me, I am the saltaholic. But this is really good. The way the lemon mixes with the shrimp is amazing. And it's like a little party in your mouth. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.